In this video, we will discuss a very easy scalping trading strategy using the breakout trading strategy method. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. This scalping strategy using the breakout trading strategy method is very easy to use by anyone, even if you are a beginner trader. Moreover, you can use this scalping strategy to trade all assets such as forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, and various other assets. We won't make this video too long, so make sure you stay until the end of the video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. This scalping strategy will use the breakout method on trend lines and the momentum of price movements to place entries. In addition, this scalping strategy with the breakout trading strategy will also only use two free indicators that you can use on TradingView. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to TradingView. In this example, we will use this scalping strategy on the USD-JPY pair, but you can also use this scalping strategy on various other pairs. Now, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type in Pivot Trendlines with Breaks. Then, simply select Pivot Trendlines with Breaks by hoanGhetti. After that, make a few adjustments to the Pivot Trendlines indicator. Open the Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, change the pivot length value to 21. Then, also change the pivot type to Fast. After that, uncheck the Repainting option. Once you're done, just click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, the Pivot Trendlines with Breaks indicator will automatically create trendlines following the movement of the candlestick. The way the Pivot Trendlines with Breaks indicator works is similar to how support and resistance work. If the green line is broken by the price, the Pivot Trendlines with Breaks indicator will automatically give a green breakout signal. In this situation, your focus is to place a buy order. Whereas if the red line is broken by the price, the Pivot Trendlines with Breaks indicator will automatically give a red breakout signal. In this situation, your focus is to place a sell order. To increase the accuracy of the Pivot Trendlines with Breaks indicator, we will add one more indicator to use as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type in QQE MOD. Then, simply select QQE MOD by Mikkel. We will use the QQE MOD indicator as a signal filter in the market. If the bar of the QQE MOD indicator is navy, it indicates bullish momentum. If the bar of the QQE MOD is red, it indicates bearish momentum. However, if the QQE MOD bar is gray or there is no bar at all, it means there is no dominant momentum in the market. In this situation, you should not make any entry in the market. Now let's discuss how to place orders using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If a green breakout signal appears, it indicates a bullish breakout. In this situation, your main focus is to place a buy order. Ensure that the QQE MOD indicator bar shows bullish momentum or a navy-colored bar. Next, make sure that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If the candlestick in front of the breakout signal is not bullish, immediately cancel the buy setup. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If a red breakout signal appears, it indicates a bearish breakout. In this situation, your main focus is to place a sell order. Ensure that the QQE MOD indicator bar shows bearish momentum or a red-colored bar. Next, make sure that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If the candlestick in front of the breakout signal is not bearish, immediately cancel the sell setup. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always make sure to manage your money and trading psychology, as no strategy will guarantee a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gain new knowledge today. That's it for this discussion, and see you in the next video.